Hey there, food lovers! Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. We're diving into the world of Chicken Momo. These aren't your average dumplings. They are little pillows of flavor, perfectly paired with a steaming bowl of homemade chicken soup. It's comfort food, elevated. Ingredients. What you'll need for this culinary adventure. Today, we're embarking on a delightful culinary journey to create a dish that is both comforting and flavorful. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to try something new, this recipe will guide you through every step. Let's dive into the ingredients you'll need to make this delicious meal. For the momo dough, 2 cups all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt and warm water, about half a cup. Adjust as needed. The dough is the foundation of our momos, and getting it right is crucial. Start by sifting the flour into a large mixing bowl. Add the salt and mix it through the flour. Gradually add the warm water, mixing continuously until the dough starts to come together. Knead the dough on a lightly floured surface for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to work with later. For the chicken filling, 1 pound ground chicken, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a cup chopped cilantro, 1/4 cup chopped green onions, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, and salt and pepper to taste. The filling is where the magic happens. In a large bowl, combine the ground chicken with the finely chopped onion. Add the ginger garlic paste, which will infuse the filling with a rich aromatic flavor. Next, add the chopped cilantro and green onions for a burst of freshness. The ground cumin and coriander will add depth and warmth to the filling, while the turmeric powder gives it a beautiful golden hue. Season with salt and pepper to taste and mix everything together until well combined. Make sure the filling is evenly mixed to ensure every bite is packed with flavor. For the chicken soup, 1 tablespoon oil, a 1-inch piece of ginger, sliced, 2 cloves garlic crushed, 4 cups chicken broth, 1 chicken bouillon cube, optional, salt and pepper to taste, and chopped cilantro for garnish. The chicken soup serves as a perfect accompaniment to our momos. Heat the oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the sliced ginger and crushed garlic and sauté until fragrant. Pour in the chicken broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. If you want to enhance the flavor, you can add a chicken bouillon cube. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Just before serving, garnish the soup with freshly chopped cilantro for a touch of color and freshness. This soup is not only delicious but also nourishing, making it a perfect complement to the momos. And there you have it. With these ingredients and a bit of patience, you're well on your way to creating a memorable meal. Happy cooking! Dough making, creating the perfect momo pocket. Time to get our hands dirty. In a large bowl, mix together the flour and salt. Gradually add warm water, kneading until you have a smooth, elastic dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Think of it as a power nap for maximum deliciousness. Flavor burst. Mixing up the juicy chicken filling. While the dough rests, let's build those flavor layers. In another bowl, combine all the filling ingredients. Ground chicken, onion, ginger garlic paste, cilantro, green onions, and spices. Mix thoroughly until well combined. See those vibrant colors? That's flavor coming to life. Momo magic, shaping and sealing your delectable dumplings. Welcome to the art of crafting perfect momos, where each step is a delightful journey into the heart of culinary tradition. Now for the fun part, this is where your creativity and precision come into play, transforming simple ingredients into mouth-watering masterpieces. First, divide the rested dough into small, equal-sized balls. This ensures that each dumpling is uniform, cooking evenly and looking professional. Roll each ball into a thin circle about 4 inches in diameter. The key here is to maintain an even thickness, which helps in achieving that perfect bite. Place a spoonful of the chicken filling in the center of each circle. Be generous but careful, ensuring there's enough filling to savor without overstuffing. Now, pinch and pleat the edges to seal the momos, forming those beautiful little parcels. This step is crucial as it locks in the flavors and gives the dumplings their signature look. Take your time to create neat, tight seals, ensuring none of the delicious filling escapes during cooking. There are various pleating techniques you can try, from simple pinches to intricate folds. Experiment with different styles to find your favorite. Each pleat adds a unique texture and visual appeal to your momos. Once all your dumplings are shaped and sealed, arrange them in a steamer. Make sure they're not touching each other to prevent sticking. Steam them for about 10-12 minutes or until the dough becomes translucent and the filling is cooked through. Serve your freshly steamed momos with a side of tangy dipping sauce. Watch as your friends and family delight in each bite, savoring the flavors and textures you've so carefully crafted. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the joy of sharing a homemade meal. Steaming time, cooking your momos to tender perfection. Grab your steamer basket, line it with parchment paper and place the momos inside, making sure they aren't touching. Steam the momos for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're cooked when the filling is cooked through and the dough is translucent. Soup's on, simmering a flavorful chicken broth. While the momos steam, let's make that soul-soothing soup. Heat oil in a pot. Add ginger and garlic, sautéing until fragrant. Pour in the chicken broth, adding a bouillon cube for an extra flavor boost, optional but recommended. Season with salt and pepper. Simmer for 15 minutes. Plating perfection. Presenting your momo and soup masterpiece. Your kitchen is now filled with the most amazing aromas. Carefully remove the steamed momos from the steamer. Ladle that steaming hot soup into bowls. Gently place a few momos in each bowl, garnishing with fresh cilantro. Your steaming, flavorful masterpiece is ready. Flavor exploration, spice up your momo experience. Want to kick things up a notch? Serve your momos with a side of spicy tomato chutney or a tangy dipping sauce. Experiment with different chili peppers in the filling for an extra kick. The flavor possibilities are endless. Conclusion: enjoy the fruits or momos of your labor. There you have it. You've created a feast for the senses. Chicken momo and chicken soup, a match made in culinary heaven. Enjoy the delicious rewards of your hard work and be sure to share this recipe with your fellow food-loving friends. Bonus tips from Alton's Culinary Playbook. Welcome to another exciting chapter from Alton's Culinary Playbook, where we dive deep into the art of cooking with precision and passion. Today we're sharing some invaluable tips that will elevate your culinary skills to the next level. Dough consistency is key. The dough should be soft and pliable, not too sticky or dry. Achieving the right dough consistency is crucial for the perfect texture in your dishes. Whether you're making bread, pastries, or dumplings, the dough's texture can make or break the final product. Add water gradually while kneading to achieve the perfect texture. It's important to add water slowly and in small increments. This allows the dough to absorb the moisture evenly, preventing it from becoming too wet or too dry. Patience is key here. Take your time to knead thoroughly. Don't overcrowd the steamer. Give your momos space to breathe. When steaming dumplings or momos, it's essential to arrange them with enough space in between. This ensures that the steam circulates evenly, cooking each piece to perfection. Overcrowding can lead to uneven cooking and soggy bottoms. Overcrowding the steamer will result in uneven cooking. Soup's on. To avoid this, always leave a little room for the steam to move around. This simple step can make a significant difference in the texture and taste of your steamed dishes. For a richer soup, use homemade chicken stock. Homemade stock is packed with flavor and nutrients that store-bought versions often lack. It's the foundation of a great soup, adding depth and richness that can't be replicated with bouillon cubes or canned broth. You can even simmer some leftover chicken bones in the broth for added depth of flavor. Happy cooking. By simmering chicken bones, you extract all the goodness, including collagen and minerals, which contribute to a more robust and flavorful broth. So, next time you make soup, don't forget to use those leftover bones. Happy cooking, and may your kitchen adventures be ever delicious.